The K&N NextGen cold air intake system delivers a very noticeable bump in horsepower and throttle response on late-model Ford F-150 and Raptor trucks without needing an aftermarket tune. Its large-diameter molded intake tubes and redesigned airbox feed the twin-turbo V6 with a much greater volume of cooler air, which you can feel as stronger mid-range pull and smoother acceleration. The oversized oiled cotton filter flows extremely well, yet still offers solid filtration, and the long cleaning interval makes it a practical choice for high-mileage highway driving. Because the filter is washable and reusable, you avoid constantly buying disposable filters, which pays off over time and reduces waste compared with standard paper elements. Installation is straightforward for a do-it-yourself owner, with a well-thought-out airbox, snap-in filter design, and minimal hardware that lets most people bolt it on in under an hour with basic tools. Build quality is impressive, with a rigid custom-molded airbox, precise fitment for the specific Ford applications, and backing from a long-established intake and filtration brand that stands behind its products.